Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Angeli Amparado Baldado. I am 26 years old. I am single and I am from Nagkasunog, Bingoy, Negros Oriental. And I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Do you have kid?
No, sir.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 older brothers and I am the youngest.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid.
I have 2 years experience as a housemaid from 2023 to 2025.
What are your job duties there?
I do cleaning and household chores like sweeping the floor, washing, and ironing.
How many kids did you take care there in your employer?
2, sir.
What are the ages of the kid?
8 and 11.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, if there's a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Pardon, sir?
In Hong Kong, there's a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes, sir.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying first, I will check the diaper if it is wet. And if it is wet, I will change it. And if it will never stop crying, I will sing a song or feed the milk. And if it is not, then I will check the temperature.
Okay, in Hong Kong, if the children or baby is naughty, what will you do?
If the children are naughty, I will encourage them to play. And I will teach them or sing a song,
Do you have a big vision for them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in Hong Kong, if there is the baby is, you taking a bath, so what do you need to prepare?
First of all, I will prepare a lukewarm water, a towel, and the soap. And I will avoid the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears to splash or spill water.
Okay, in Hong Kong, while you work there, you cannot avoid your homesick, so how can you do it?
If I feel homesick, I will encourage myself and or encourage myself to work to forget my homesick, and I will employ as my own family.
So why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to support I want to come to Hong Kong to support my family and to give them a financial support.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
So you eat everything?
Yes, sir.
So do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Can you sing a song for a baby?
Yes, sir. It's a spider without the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Okay, thank you. If there is an elder person in the house, are you willing to take care?
Yes, sir.
If there's the employer, a car, are you willing to let the car wash by yourself without any pay?
Yes, sir.
So if your employer require you to do not do to the holiday, instead they will pay you, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong if the employer is requiring you?
Yes, sir.
So lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me. I am honest. I am hardworking. I am cheerful. I am willing to follow in your instructions, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract as long as you needed me, and I hope that I will get a positive review.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir.